Hi there, welcome to DocsAI. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your workspace set up so you and your team can get searching on your documents instantly. Once you've signed up and filled in your details, you'll land on this DocsAI home screen. On the left, you'll see there's two key options, New Chat and Upload Your Documents. To get started, click Upload Your Documents. You can drag and drop your files into this window or click Browse to select them from your computer. When you hit OK, DocsAI immediately starts indexing your documents. Indexing is the system reading your files and building a map of their content so it can answer questions accurately. While your documents are indexing, head over to the Documents tab to see the progress. Larger files might take a little bit longer, so don't stress if the progress bar moves slowly. Once your documents have finished indexing, you'll see the status update. Then you're good to go and jump in and start asking questions. While your documents are indexing, it's a great time to invite your team. Click on your avatar in the top corner, click your name. You'll see a list of the teams you've created. Teams are groups of documents. If you have a maintenance team and you only want them to search maintenance manuals, create a maintenance team and upload those documents. If you have a finance team that should only access finance documentation, create a finance team, and you can do as many teams as you like. Click on the team to see who's in it and invite a user to your team. Use the name and an email. You can make them an admin. They can see all of these features, or a team member. Team members won't be able to see any of the admin details or any of the integrations, and they won't be able to add industry contexts, but they will be able to see what they are. Over on the left-hand menu, you'll find your profile where you can update your details, a password section for updating your password or turning on additional security, your billing details, the plan, what teams you've created and are a member of, and the referral links if you want to share DocsAI with anyone else. Across the top navigation bar, you'll see Documents, Integrations, Industry Contexts, and if you're administrator, the Team Admin panel. The Documents tab shows all the documents you've uploaded. You can do a keyword search to see if you're missing any documents that you want to have in there, the amount of storage you've used, and the status of the indexing. In the settings, you can allow viewing of reference documents. And when enabled, team members can click on a citation reference to view the document directly. When it's disabled, citation links will not be accessible to team members. When you're ready to integrate DocsAI directly with your SharePoint or Google Drive, it's as simple as clicking on one of these links following the process. DocsAI will view the entire folder that you pointed at and any subfolders, index all the documents, and they'll be available for you to search on. In industry contexts, you can add your slang or specific words or phrases used by your industry. For example, I type CM, I mean continuous miner. Now, every time you type CM, DocsAI knows you're talking about a continuous miner. This is where you can build a huge database of specific language used in your industry or company, so DocsAI always knows what you're talking about. Finally, the Team Admin panel gives you, as an admin, insight into who's using the platform, how often they're using it, what they're searching for, and the answers they're getting. It's incredibly useful when you're managing a team and want to understand what information they rely on or what they're searching for but not finding. This feature is part of a business plan. Now that our manual's finished indexing, we can head back to the chat and start asking questions. Do we have a manual for the 830? DocsAI will quickly identify the actual manual. You could ask a more specific question about a detail within the manual. For example, what's the torque setting for a 10mm split flange clamp bolt on the 830E? The system will go in and read the table, give the exact answer, give the reference page it got the information from, as you can see here. So that's DocsAI. We recommend you upload at least 10 documents, start asking questions, and if you find you're not getting the answers you want, add some industry context to help DocsAI understand what it is you're looking for. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch.